Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm actually going to be doing a hair tutorial for once, and let me know if you guys want more hair tutorials because I can pull them out. But I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial today. I'm going to be actually using clip-in hair extensions to kind of zhuzh up my natural hair. This is my natural hair. She's cute, but she's just a little fine, she doesn't really have much body going on, and I need something different. If you guys don't know already, I do have naturally curly hair and my hair is on the fine side. Just to give you guys a background of how I prepped my hair, this is actually second day hair, so my hair has been straight for the second day now. And yesterday, basically, I washed my hair. I washed it with this shampoo and conditioner, and I blow dried my hair. I straightened my hair. I normally don't put in a lot of products because my hair is so fine. I don't like to weigh down my hair. So the only thing I normally would put into my hair if I am going to straighten it or blow dry it is a heat protectant, but other than that, that's pretty much it. I might put hairspray in, but not a ton because, again, I don't want anything to weigh down my hair, and my hair is naturally curly, so if I put in too much hairspray, it'll probably hold that style too much, and if I want to be versatile the next few days, it just doesn't work. It's like I want my hair to be clean again, but then I don't really have that option if I put too much product in it because my hair is curly. It's just a lot going on. Now I'm going to show you how I apply my clip-ins and how I style them. So I did watch a few videos because I'm not a pro at this. I'm really new to this. I did watch a few videos of like good ways to blend your hair, your natural hair, into your clip-in extensions. And so I'll have those videos linked down below in the description for you guys because I'm not going to film what I learned in this video. I'm just going to show you mainly how I apply the clip-ins and how I style them. But if you want to do the same thing I'm doing, there's a video down below that you can watch that shows exactly how to do it if you want to see it on camera. But what I did basically was the same thing as the girl. Is I put two cornrows in the back here, starting from the top of my ear, back parting, and I braided two braids back, tied them up with a little rubber band. And this is for the sole purpose of just your little neck hairs not sticking out while you're wearing your longer hair extensions. So now I'm going to start applying the clip-ins. You want to do whatever is best for your own like head shape. You don't have to do exactly how I do it because it might not work for you, but I'm just going to show you how I do it. So I put my hair up. I just have those two little ponytails back here, no other hair down. Just parted from my top of my ear back, just two cornrows. And I'm going to take my two clip wefts. I don't know if I mentioned it before, but these are actually Bellami clip-in hair extensions. I'll put down below the exact kind of clip-in extensions I got. I got an 18 inches because I wanted a length that looked natural on me. I didn't want to get something that was like too unrealistic for me. So I got 18 inches because I feel like, okay, on me, I feel like this is gonna look believable, I did trim the 18 inches though, so they are shorter. I just wanted them to look a little bit more put together on the end. So they're probably 16 inches at this point now. But now I'm going to clip in the two weft clip-ins. So I'm going to clip these right on the braids at the very top of the parting. And these are really nice because it doesn't feel like it's going to pop off. And then I'm going to take down some more hair. So I'm going to start right like by the ends of my eyebrows here and just grab some more hair. I'm going to put this up. And then next I like to grab my 4 weft hair piece here, and I try to be careful because I really like to make sure that the hair is actually combed into it. So I like to actually grab my hair kind of like this. I like to grab it, comb it in, and then clip, because sometimes when you just like place it and clip, it doesn't really like stay. Next, I'm gonna add in my 3 weft clip-in. I like to part my hair in the middle when I'm styling it So this is what works for that. But I'm gonna part my hair right at this starting at this point and going diagonal, and I'm just going to part it there. I'm gonna grab my 3 weft hair extension here. I also like to make sure that it's not too close to the front. Like I like a little bit of space at the front just to make sure that this piece here does not show. Next, I'm going to put in my 1 weft piece. I'm not sure if Bellami has 1 pieces, but for the one that I got, it did not come with a 1 piece. I actually cut this. So this is actually from a 2 weft clip-in, and I just cut it because I needed at least 2 of these because this bang piece is a little bit more noticeable with these clip-ins, and I just want to make sure that I fill that space. So I'm just going to kind of part it here on top. And again, I'm not going to put it like too close to the front, but just enough to where it, you know, does the job. So now I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. The curling iron I'm going to use today is actually by Bellami and Amrezy. This is actually a really good curling iron. I feel like the curls do last a long time, especially on the extensions. The extensions hold curl really well. My hair doesn't hold a curl no matter what tool I'm using. Like, it just does not hold the curl whatsoever. I will show you what to do if you have that problem as well, like me, where your hair just does not hold a curl. But yeah, so I'm gonna use this. I believe it's 1 inch, but I'm not 100% sure. But I'll leave the information about this in the description, of course. What I like to do to help my curls last, especially, you know, with my natural hair, because my natural hair tends to fall really easily, I like to pin my curls with these clips and just let them cool while I'm like doing my makeup or whatever. And of course you can also like clip and do some hairspray. Yesterday I didn't do hairspray and it held up pretty fine. Of course it still fell a little bit, but it was still like very cute. But if you want it to last like all day, definitely suggest just using like a nice little hairspray. I'm not gonna need it for all day, so I'm just gonna let it cool and that should be enough. So now I'm gonna curl my hair away from my face. I'm gonna put the barrel behind my hair and the clip in the front of the hair, and I'm just going to start rotating it. And I do like to keep it on for a few seconds at a time before I keep feeding the hair into the tool. So just hold it for a few seconds, then like keep moving up, hold for a few seconds, and then now I will kind of put my hand on the end here, turn the barrel upside down, and grab the curl, but I have to be careful because it's hot. I want to carefully roll the curl up. So I will start taking the curl before it like fully drops, because you want it to cool curled. You don't want it to cool when it's dropped. When it's dropped, it'll just easily kind of like lose its shape faster if you let it fully cool. So I'm just gonna roll this up, and once I have it fully rolled up, I will take my clip here and just clip it in. Next, I will do it again. So I basically keep doing this around my whole head, and yeah, so I'll let you guys keep watching, and then I'll show you what I do once I get like to the front of my hair, like the very bang. It's pretty much the same thing, but I'll still show you anyway. By the way, I did get these clips from Target. They came in like a 12-piece pack. I ended up getting 24, so that's why I have so many. Okay guys, so now I'm at the bang part. I'm going to continue to curl it away from my face like that. And I'm gonna continue to do the same thing, just feeding the hair into the tool. And now I'm going to turn it over and drop and just hurry and roll so that it doesn't fall. And now I'm gonna clip it. And there you go. Basically gonna do the same thing on my entire head. At this point you can spray hairspray to kind of like really lock it in, or you could have sprayed hairspray like before you rolled it up so that each one gets you know, a good amount of hairspray on most of the strand. So now I'm gonna do the whole other side here. So at this point, I will keep my hair like this as long as I can until I'm ready to leave the house, because that will help it last. I'm gonna come back with my face done and ready to go, and then I'll show you how I take everything down and brush it out. Okay guys, I am officially ready to take these curls down. I'm excited. I already know like how it should look like because I've tried this like method already, but hopefully it turns out the same or better. So I'm gonna start, I like to start with like the first ones that I did, because I feel like when you start with the newer side, it's like it still needs that extra time. So I'm gonna start on this side. Okay, now I'm gonna brush everything out. So I'm gonna take this like round brush, and I just like it to be kind of fluffed out. I don't really like it to be defined personally. So I'm just going to brush the curls through. Okay, so this one, this piece of hair, which I think is my hair, does look kind of funky. I think it's probably from the clips, so I'm gonna recurl this one little piece here. The rest looks fine though. I'm just gonna use my straightener because I don't need to bring out the big curling iron, so I'm just gonna use my straightener to just quickly just reshape it. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial of me styling my hair. I think it turned out really pretty. I'm still kind of learning with curling my hair because, like I said, my hair does not stay. So this like clip-in method helps a lot, especially if I don't want to have too many products in my hair and I don't want to weigh it down with like hairspray or anything like that. Then this helps a lot. But if I do want to go for an all-day look, I might need some hairspray. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!